TT Squad, this is here. Guess what I'm making today? I want some spaghetti. Y'all know I can't have pasta, so I found, oh, I think I put a little bit too much oil in there. I found some carrots, spring carrots. So I cut up my onions, my green peppers, and all that, and I'm gonna make me some spaghetti. Yeah, some spaghetti. I want some spaghetti, and I think I should be able to still have some spaghetti and enjoy it. So I'm using ground turkey, and I'm using mushrooms, green peppers, and onions. Yes, and I chopped everything up, and yeah, let that go. Can y'all see? I'm not gonna put any seasoning in it or anything like that. I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like. Yes, that's what it is. Y'all see it? It's gonna be really good. Hopefully it'll be really good. I never had it before. I'm just saying it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna wait till the onions and all that get a little down. Let's see how that works out. Then I'm gonna add my ground turkey. I don't know if my son will eat any. I don't care if you know. She's like, Mom, you making? I say, yes, I am. You can make anything. You can still eat what you want. Just be a healthy version. It's hard to find it, but hey, it is what it is. And I didn't get a real big pot. I love vegetables and I love green peppers and onions, so I kind of put a lot of it in there because I want to be able to enjoy it and everything. I only think that was a 3 pounds. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just hoping it all come out right. And it actually smells good and I ain't put nothing in it yet. I don't think I'm going to put any seasoning in it. I don't know. I don't really like seasoning. I'm going to put some salt and pepper. And in fact, I'm going to put some sea salt. Did I get my sister back with sea salt? I had some sea salt. I heard sea salt is really good. So, oh, I got something here leaking. Oh, I'm in my refrigerator. My candles was leaking. And when I was sick, I had some, I guess you want to call it honey. Hey, the sea salt. I'm going to use that. That's a little bit of that. A little bit of garlic. I don't know how much because y'all know I'm not a cook. I'm just make what I can, a little bit of pepper. And see how that works out. That's how I'm going to do that. Yeah, it's cooking. I actually I hope it come out good. Because it be something that I could try. It's another recipe. Like, I'm getting tired of chicken. So I thought of something what I used to make. But I'm going to retry it a different way. And since I can't use regular rice, I can use cauliflower. So I'm going to make that tomorrow, which is Monday. TT Squad, check it out. Yeah. I'll be right back, TT Squad. TT Squad, I'm back. I'm about to add the spaghetti. It is curd spaghetti though. You see it? I found it at Safeway. And I think it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna wait for it to cook it all in. Let y'all look at it. I didn't add no. Put it out y'all way. See what it look like? It's just curds. I love curds. And I never had it in like this. So I'm thinking it might be really good. Try something new. And I want y'all to tell me, I make smoothies and they just come out so nasty. Give me an idea of a smoothie. Put it down in the below so I can try to follow the recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and let this simmer for a minute. I'm going to put the top on top of it and let it cook for a minute. And see how that work out, TT Squad. I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. I'm putting the spaghetti sauce in there. I think I should have bought 2 things of curd, but I got one. I was trying to make a little one because it's just me eating it. And I was only trying to do food prep for like 1 day, 2 days. Because I be making so much food, can't eat it all. Like this right here, you know, this a lot. Well, I'm trying to make this much, and I don't like throwing food away. I really don't. But I'm going to call my cousin up. I'm going to be like, you want to try something? And I'm going to give her this. Be like, try this. Look at it, y'all. Put the top on it. Let it simmer down a little bit more for about 10 minutes. Y'all go ahead and look at that and see how it come out. I know I haven't put up no videos in a while, but like I was telling y'all, it's hard when you can't really eat nothing. And just trying to find something to eat is just crazy. It's hard to try to find things to eat. And you gotta make up stuff as you go along. It's hard to make up stuff to find to eat. When you're so used to eating fast food, give me this, give me that. Yeah, you're so used to eating it. Going to the curry house, picking up steak and cheese, Chinese food, and stuff like that. You can't do that no more. So it's like a really hard to really get to do. It's really hard. But I'm being with it. I'm doing my best. I haven't cheated. Hopefully by me going to the gym, like I go to the gym Monday and Friday with a trainer at 5 o'clock. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I go by myself at 5 o'clock. And I just work it out. Look at it. It gets simmer down. As soon as I play the TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. Look at it. Simmer down. Put this over top of there. Look at it, y'all. Came out nice and right. This is curds. I made this with curds and it's spaghetti. And I'm about to plate it. Ooh. And I'm going to taste some of it. Oh. See, I'm sorry I be making a mess everywhere. Look. Ha! Looks good, don't it? And it's still freaking hot because it just came out the oven. But I'm about to sit over here and try just a little bit of it with, let me grab a fork. And I'm going to try just a little bit. See how it tastes. This up here. Because I ain't supposed to, oh, sorry about that. Just try a little bit. My camera's crooked. Let me get it together. My sister, she be like, girl, you don't have your camera together. No, I don't. Had no intention of trying it, but I'm going to try it. Even though I know I'm not going to be, look at this. I'm not going to be eat all that bam. You see the steam still coming from it? It smells good, though. It tastes good. So, carrots. I put some fresh mushrooms, green peppers, red peppers, onion. Oh. Forgot my soul. My cheese. Hold up. Bam. Gotta sprinkle the cheese on top of it. Just to do it. Man. Now, nigga. Oh. Y'all, I still am getting full. Really good. I'm gonna eat this later. Really good. Like, share, subscribe. TT Squad. See you later.